everyone. Today we'll be doing another challenge, and this challenge is the hot chili. The hot chili pepper and lime tortillas chips challenge. Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes, I'm it's so.
So we're gonna share it even.
Fire! Fire!
Alright, you share them yours. Lift up your plate and share them. Yes. So the challenge is who first to eat of theirs will win. If you win, you get LOL plays. I buy you LOL plays.
Yes.
And if I win, what you gonna do for me?
I go in our place.
You gonna be nice to me if I win?
Yes, I'll go in and you go see fish.
Okay, if I win, what you gonna give me?
I'm going and you go see fish.
No, if I win, what you gonna buy me or what you gonna give me? What you wanna get for mommy?
Okay.
Remember, we have to eat off all of this, and if you win, you get the LOL prize. You get all that.
Yay!
Yes. So we're gonna start now.
Yeah.
You start.
Okay. I win! Yum.
We have to eat more.
Okay.
If you wanna win, if you want the toys, you have to eat it out.
Okay.
Oh
my goodness. What?
And we can't drink any water until we finish.
Fire! Fire my mouth.
Fry in your mouth? Fry my mouth. Eat up.
Okay. There's some.
Oh.
Oh no, my finger hurt.
Finger hurt? I almost finished. Come again.
Fire!
Guys. Just do like this, like me, do like me.
Oh, mommy, I'm trying to win. I'm not trying to win.
You trying to win?
Yes, I'm trying to win.
So if you're trying to win, you have to heat it.
I'm trying to win. I'm trying to win.
It's see? I'm winning. Guys, this is the end of the video, and Moya win the challenge because I have more than her, and she only have this amount, and I have this amount. So Moya's the winner?
Yes, so I'm winner.
And mommy have to buy you LOL prize?
Yes!
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and have a good day. Say, you do it.